Feeling stuck trying to figure out where to put your savings? Maybe you're already a Patriot Bank customer, but you're not sure if you should choose a money market account or a regular savings account. It's a common question, and today, we're going to break down the key differences to help you make the best decision for your financial goals. So, let's start with the basics. A Patriot Bank savings account is your classic, no-frills option. It's great for beginners and for a short-term goal like an emergency fund. You can start with a low minimum balance and it's easy to access your money. The trade-off is that the interest rate is typically lower. It's a safe place to put your cash, but it's not designed to be a high-growth engine for your wealth. It's the slow and steady tortoise in this race. Now, onto the money market account. Think of this as the savings account's more powerful cousin. It's still a savings vehicle, but it's designed to give you a higher interest rate, especially as your balance grows. Patriot Bank's money market accounts often have a tiered rate structure, meaning the more money you have in the account, the higher the rate you'll earn. This is a great choice for medium-term goals, like a down payment on a car or a home. It also gives you more flexibility, often including check writing privileges and debit card access, which you won't get with a standard savings account. So, how do you choose? It really comes down to three things: your balance, your goals, and your need for access. If you're just starting out and have a smaller balance, a savings account is a perfect place to build a solid financial foundation. The lower minimums and simple structure make it easy to manage. However, if you've already built up a substantial sum and you want your money to work harder for you, the money market account is likely a better fit. The higher, tiered interest rates can lead to a significant difference in earnings over time. Plus, if you occasionally need to access your savings for a large purchase, the check writing and debit card features can be incredibly convenient. Ultimately, there's no single best option, just the one that's right for you and your current financial situation. Take a look at your goals, your current savings, and then decide which account will help you get where you want to go. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.